What is Manufacturing Execution System, MES? Computerized system used in manufacturing to track and record the transformation of raw materials into finished goods. Focusing on production floor, MES provides real-time data and control over the production process, making it smarter, faster, and more reliable. Are your operators struggling to track work order status manually, leading to delays and confusion? Are you losing production time and money due to underutilized machines? Do you face inconsistency between inventory records and actual materials used in production? Do your operators still rely on manual paper-based recording and tracking, which is more prone to human errors and inaccuracies? Is outdated and incorrect production data impacting your critical production decisions? Do you lack transparency and traceability? How quickly can you trace the root cause of a defect and prevent it from impacting more production? Do you wish there is a way to capture and record machine downtime instantly so corrective action can be dispatched as soon as it happens? How much is poor quality control costing your production in rework, waste, and lost efficiency? Sciengate Automation's MES solution provides real-time production monitoring, automated data collection, and full traceability, helping you stay in control of your operations at all times. MES displays real-time work orders on a dashboard. MES analyzes machine efficiency and optimizes production. MES provides automatic inventory tracking. Digitalized data entry via tablets and screens. MES ensures automated and accurate reporting. MES allows end-to-end product tracking. MES provides real-time alerts for maintenance and downtime analysis. MES ensures standardized processes and real-time quality checks. Key benefits of MES: real-time work order tracking. You can track your production progress instantly. Higher equipment utilization. Optimize machine efficiency. Accurate material and inventory management. No more discrepancies. Paperless operations. Save time and reduce errors. Better data accuracy. Automated reporting minimizes human errors. End-to-end traceability. Track every product from raw material to shipment. Proactive downtime management. Real-time alerts for predictive maintenance. Stronger process and quality control. Ensure consistent product standards. Sciengate Automation's MES solution provides real-time production monitoring, automated data collection, and full traceability, helping you stay in control of your operations at all times.